My name is Kerosi Ondieki. I'm an advocate and also the chairman of ODM and a Piwanyaribadian. I want to say that the actions of the deputy governor of moving from a position where he's representing us, Abanyaribadi, without consultation is wrong. Yes. He should know that the Constitution gives way for the deputy governor or any other leader to consult his people because he's representing his people. What he has done, he has made a decision, a lone and individual decision, which the Nyaribari people are not supporting at all. Yes. We demand that we are not going to look for him. It is him who will look for us, who will look for these people, and apologize to them. And it is us who are going to ask Simba, Arati, the governor, either to forgive him or we ship out and we give him another person. Yes. Deputy governor must respect the people of Nyaribari Church and Nyaribari Masaba. Yes. And then after that, he respects the people of Kisii. His representation is not personal to him. He is not acting as a deputy governor as Monda, but he is acting on behalf of a community. Yes. Regional balancing is in the Constitution, and he is representing a region. Yes. That region cannot therefore remain unrepresented in that government of Kisii. We call upon the governor of Kisii County, His Excellency Paul Simba, whom we love, and who is working very well for us, to wait for us to give him a signal. Otherwise, for now, Deputy Governor Monda, wherever you are hiding, come out and look for us. We will not look for you.
Your Excellency, Onyore deputy, onyore green pasture, onyore bunyansi omubese asako endara girebuya. Tigatigera Abanyaribari abakire kwaheri agenda obyeka ekera Abanyaribari bakutiga Nyaribari sobose bari. Egento kende Abanyaribari mbarire libaga mbarire kinguru cyogo kwa omokonyi uragokonye asobisi yao egera obisi yae egenderere. Your Excellency to kwene kelinga ese myaka yao 10 years bosio. Nayo kogamba pako kore tamu yeyo Kerwa kodi tamu ya 10 years kuruga butuma koranga Nyaribari naero ngira kimoko tubwatisia elindega tonyone tu igabana kuruo eli Kisii County enyar kobe go shine.
Our DG should come out clear whether we are at a place where he first took us and or not, or come out and declare that whether he has shifted so that we can decide as a community on the way to go. And number 2, it was agreed that the community has several people who can take over the responsibility if the DG has decided to bolt out. It was also agreed as a community that we can't afford to lose this deputy position because of selfish personal gains. So we cannot allow one person to waste our community, and we have served for quite a long time. And yet our community is a very big community. Yes. It was also agreed that power is with the people. We are the people who voted in the governor and Monda, and it is the electorate that can decide, not an individual, to decide for the community or on behalf of the community.
Ekina kitu igulo borotu achira kwa mogono Munyaribari akoro Munyaribari tutaketoka begente kama nande ngotole gente kama tote bi Monda ida nintu tu agerete akaira chikura tokamose ae Simba advice uno mugana lakini umugambo nande no polisi pia kanisa bibaga mechando yale kororekana asabe nyasa mokonye chisemino bongaini ate bisimba gekogera ru mwana mondo manyiro koimoka oretiro osoro na ero koja kokwana Nyaribari kuna bali tu akwete toka hakuna twakwanire muno Munyaribari twakwanire munu ayo moiga Monda koranje mogaka tayo Nyaribari ora korigi naje biyeka kwasoka naje biyeka bono ntutake tuirane ocho gotorigia ochinkware korigina na komiti yitu yoka no yomanyete no manyete chi komiti buna tware gokora tware gocha twakora chi komiti botuko no mubaso no maete chinsa tware goikase kware gotorangeri togenda asisima wana oni gwan totebi Simba naki nkyo mumuro yo kwanyarera Monda igomoga.
The governor should therefore consult Abanyaribari on any political move to avoid sending mixed signals on the stand of Omanyaribari. And these, the members from Nyaribari have felt may affect the relationship with the governor that he has with the people from Nyaribari. This is to say that as a senior most leader in the county government from Nyaribari, our deputy governor must remain and be at the center to negotiate for Nyaribari in the county government. So any failure by the deputy governor to take up his role as Nyaribari people, we will be prompted to seek other ways of representation and liaison with the governor of Kisii County. We therefore distance ourselves and the entire people of Nyaribari from the stand that our deputy governor has taken by inviting his critics to his home, where they publicly condemned our dear governor